Hi, I'm Wiza, and for my final project in CodeInPlace, I've developed a reviewer for the foundational concepts in Python that we've learned. So here, this program is actually useful for anyone who wants to create a reviewer for themselves and test their knowledge, since the questions and answers file can be edited based on the need. So this program is also a review for me personally. So let's see here. What I've done here is to prepare two files, which is the questions.txt and the answers.txt. What I did for the program was to read those files and then put it to two lists, namely the question list and the answer list, with about 100 questions. So here, we'll now try the program. Once the program starts, it introduces carry. Carry is the learning body of the user. Carry then displays the objectives of the reviewer. Then it generates the questions and answers list from the file provided. The user will then be asked how many questions he wants to answer, and based on that number, a passing score will be displayed. See here that the passing score is the total number of questions that the user needs to answer correctly. Once this is set, carry then generates the non-repeating randomized question to the user for the user to answer. So here, look, once the user answers each question, carry provides feedback whether they are correct or wrong. So here, if correct, carry displays the total correct answer, and if wrong, carry displays the correct answer. So let's look here. I'm just answering just a bunch of questions. And okay, so at the end, the user here will either pass or fail this review if he or she answers 80% of the questions correctly. So here, I'm able to answer these questions correctly. I'm able to pass this review. So if I fail, I also have the option to continue this review, or if I want, I can exit this program. So basically, this is it. This is the program as my final project, and I called it CodeInPlace Reviewer. Thank you.